Max, how about we do a challenge? Wow, let's do it! I'm doing the first task on the loader, and I'll be using the bulldozer. I'll be using the loader bucket to put balls in the yellow basin. And I need to drag the garbage behind me. Let's start the challenge. Let's go!
Come on!
Whoa! 2 balls in! Challenge completed! To complete the next task, I need to demolish all the buildings. Let's go! Now I'll be working on the griefer. Let's get started. What a challenging task.
Cool.
Yay! Yay! I did it! For the next task, I need to fill the yellow basin with balls. Let's start!
Come on!
Task completed! Now I'll be working on the forklift. I need to collect the containers and put them on the shelf. Let's go! Excellent! Now I just need to put the containers on the shelf. Yay! I completed the challenge! completed all the tasks and had a great time at the construction site.
Wow!
What is this? A truck! Wow! Here is some kind of note. Magic colored blocks. Wow!
Guys, let's build something with these blocks.
Yeah, great idea! Here, take more blocks!
Kids, let's sort these blocks by colors to make the building process easier.
Bye! Thank you very much! Blue, pink, purple! I'm going to build my own castle with these blocks! Red, yellow, green! Let's start building!
Good job! Sophia, you're doing great!
My house is ready! Wow! My castle is ready too! Hooray! We built great houses!
Yeah, you're right!
What's going on with our houses? These were magic blocks! Wow! Wow! I always dreamt about this castle! This is a great playhouse! The criminal is caught. Wee woo, wee woo. so loud? Sophia, I want to become a firefighter. That's what I trained for.
Okay. Come on!
Now I'll go on a mission.
Run!
Oh, I see the fire.
Come on!
I don't want to be a firefighter. Max, being a firefighter is dangerous, but these people are very important. Firefighters help to get rid of the fire. They extinguish it and save people from burning rooms. Also, they provide assistance to those caught in plane crashes and car crashes. Max, they even pull cats out of trees. I know! I'll become a policewoman! Whoa! Come on, open up! Criminal! Police!
Run! Come on!
Hey, you! Hey, you! Stop, stop!
Oh, no!
Aha! I got you! The criminal is caught. Oh, I'm tired. I don't want to be a policewoman. Yeah, this profession contains a lot of difficulties and dangerous moments, but people still need such services. Yes, Sophia, that's right. I got it, Sophia. Every profession is very important. have a surprise for you! Oh, wow! Thank you, Sophia! You're welcome! Whoa! Oh, I have an idea. Let's go, Max. The balloon has popped! Max, look! This is the excavator! Wow! Yeah, this is exactly it! Wow! Cool! Wow! Wow! Wow, this is the loader! Max, can I have a try? Of course you can, Sophia! Cool! This is the bulldozer! This is the loader! Oh, I have an idea! Let's inflate a giant balloon! Oh, yes! And we'll see what's inside! Whoa! Wow, so cool! Wow! Huh? Let's go! Wow, what a car! Sophia, let me play with this car too, please.
No!
No, Max, that's my car. Play with your toys. What a greedy! Well, fine, Sophia. Hello, could you please make me a car? Not a small one, but a huge one. Okay, waiting. Hey! Here! Wow! Wow, what a huge car!
Wow, the wheels are so powerful!
What's that?
Oh, I have an idea!
Come on!
Wow! Max, can I play with your car too?
No, Sophia, play with your toys. Fine, Sophia, of course you can. Help me with the build.
Cool!
Let's go! Woohoo!
Wow, what a power! Wow, Max! Let's test this monster truck in a real challenge and build a giant trampoline!
Let's do it, Sophia!
Yeah!
Yes! Cool! Yes!
Max, the challenge spot is completed!
Let's go! Whoa!
Max, let me take the remote.
Sure. Let's go!
Come on!
Wow, that's a crazy car!
Woohoo!
Cool!
Wow, Max, it almost made it! Let's try again!
Let's go!